just played the April 1st. I played an April Fool's joke on a woodpecker. We got a pileated woodpecker. He's sitting there right now. He doesn't know what to do. I played the woodpecker sound, or the woodpecker call, from 1951, and he's just sitting there looking around. He stopped what he was doing, hammering on the branch there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And yeah, I disturbed his whole morning, so he's sitting there looking around still for the other woodpecker. Oh man, I'm messing with his head. April Fool's, buddy. Oh, that was almost mean, I guess. He doesn't know what's going on. He just keeps looking up in the tree. I could put it on the boom box and make it go really loud. I can't video while I'm doing that or even playing the call, but unless I had another sound device, which I don't. That's a I'm not sure what kind of bird that is. It's not another woodpecker though. Yeah, he's just been sitting here looking and looking for a few minutes, waiting for another woodpecker to show up. Yeah, see, he's just checking it out. Oops, I'm moving frame a little bit here. There he goes. I scared him now. April Fools on woodpeckers.